For over 200 million years, crocodiles have survived as apex predators, living relics of evolution. Today, their ancient lineage meets modern industry in the hidden world of crocodile farming, where science and commerce transform these formidable creatures into luxury leather and gourmet meat. The cycle begins in breeding ponds, where dominant males and females are carefully selected for their genetics. Females lay up to 60 eggs in sandy nests, but here, farm hands intervene, collecting and cataloging each egg to maximize survival. Every egg is marked and tracked, ensuring the best traits are passed on. This data-driven approach refines breeding for future generations. Once collected, the eggs are moved to a controlled environment for incubation. In the hatchery, high-tech incubators replace natural nests, precisely controlling temperature and humidity. By adjusting the temperature, farmers can determine the sex of the hatchlings, males for size, females for breeding. Technicians monitor development using candling, ensuring healthy embryos. After about 80 days, the eggs hatch, not on riverbanks, but in a carefully prepared nursery. Here, science gives every hatchling the best chance at life. Hatchlings, just 25 centimeters long, are kept in biosecure nurseries, protected from disease and stress. They're grouped by clutch, fed nutrient-rich diets, and monitored by veterinary staff. Cleanliness is critical. Even minor lapses can be fatal. Intensive care in these early weeks dramatically boosts survival rates. Soon, the young crocodiles double in size, ready for the next stage. After a year, juveniles move to spacious grow-out pens, mimicking natural habitats but without predators. Strict feeding schedules and low densities prevent aggression and protect valuable skin. Daily inspections and water quality checks keep the animals healthy. Over 2 to 3 years, each crocodile grows to market size in peak condition. The focus is always on welfare and flawless leather. When ready for harvest, crocodiles are humanely euthanized under strict regulations. The process is swift and overseen by specialists to ensure animal welfare. Skins and meat are processed immediately to preserve quality. Years of care culminate in a precise, efficient harvest. Expert skinners remove the hide in a single piece, preserving the valuable belly scales. Hides are cleaned, salted, and sent to tanneries, where modern chemistry meets ancient craft. Chrome tanning creates supple, durable leather, graded for perfection. Only flawless skins reach luxury brands, dyed and finished to a high gloss. The result, one of the world's most coveted materials. Crocodile meat, once rare, is now a gourmet delicacy, lean, high protein, and versatile. Premium cuts are expertly prepared for high-end markets. Nothing is wasted. Every part is used, reflecting a philosophy of sustainability. From Asia to Europe, crocodile meat is making its mark on global cuisine. Crocodile farming is tightly linked to conservation, with farms operating under strict licenses. By giving crocodiles commercial value, farms create incentives to protect wild populations and habitats. Many farms collect eggs from the wild and release healthy adults back, boosting survival rates. These operations also support local economies, creating jobs and community investment. It's a model where commerce and conservation work hand in hand. Crocodile farming is a story of adaptation, of both animal and industry. Science and regulation have transformed a feared predator into a symbol of luxury and sustainability. From riverbanks to runways, crocodiles now bridge the wild and the modern world. Their journey reflects the complex intersection of nature, commerce, and conservation. For more rare looks inside fascinating industries, like, share, and subscribe to Built by Machines. Let me know if you need further